Hello everyone, I am Abhijit Sinha and I have secured 19th rank in this year's Civil Services examination. This was my second attempt. In both my attempts, I've gone through the interview stage. The first interview was under Dr. Vinay Mittal sir. The second was under Air Marshal Bhosle sir. And I say this in particular because in the interview stage, I've done very well. This time I got 201 marks, and that was one of the highest marks in the interview this year. And my attempt today will be to highlight my experiences, highlight my strategy, and to explain you what I did which probably got me good marks so that you can be helped. Let me warn beforehand that this may not be the best strategy, this may not be the optimum strategy, but I'll merely say what worked for me. It may not work for everyone else. Uh, so, the first thing that I think is true with this interview is a need for calmness, a need for composure. This is the final round of the entire three stage of preparation. There's a Unlike the other rounds, there's a lot of subjectivity, there's a lot of variation, and often this makes students think that this is the D-day of their life, this is the day which is going to determine who they are. And in the process, what happens is that students often get very bogged up by this examination. The interview stage gets overhyped. When that happens, the importance of this day only gets multiplied much beyond what is necessary. And the final result is that often students may not have the necessary degree of calmness and composure. But let me tell you beforehand that this is the most important thing which is required according to me in the interview. So much so that जब मेरा इस बार इंटरव्यू हुआ था अंडर एयर मार्शल, they actually commented, the first thing that they said to me was, you look like a very familiar face, probably as a way to calm me, to soothe me. I said ki sir, it may be because I have a very typical Indian face. I really don't know why you're saying I'm familiar, but it may be because I have a very typical Indian face. Then there was a ma'am in the board as well. She said that it also may be because you look like a hero. Now I don't think I look like a hero, but the attempt was again by the interview board was to make me calm, was to make me composed. And this is where the interview round, I think, is the most important difference is with the mains round. That the test in the interview round is not of my knowledge, is not of one's knowledge. The test is of one's character. You are the sample which is being assessed. Your personality is being assessed. Your characters are being assessed. Your traits, your inner, everything that you have, everything that is made up of, you are made up of, is being assessed here. And in order to do that well, you need to present yourself truly in an original way. You can't bog yourself down, you can't make yourself too nervous, you can't be artificial person, and only then will you be able to present yourself in a manner that you really are. When that happens, when your automatic yourself comes, you will be able, or I believe you'll be able to do much better. Let me tell you an example जहाँ पे मेरे से calmness and composure का पूछा गया था. I think this is one trait that I have and that has helped me in my interview stage. मुझे ये पूछा गया क्वेश्चन, चेयरमैन ने पूछा कि सपोज यू आर द एडवाइजर टू द डिक्टेटर ऑफ नॉर्थ कोरिया एंड देन देर वॉज अ केस कि गिवन द सिचुएशन जब अमेरिका और नॉर्थ कोरिया के बीच में बात चल रहा है, व्हाट वुड यू डू, व्हाट वुड यू एडवाइस? आई सेड कि सर माई एडवाइस वुड बी टू, since I am a North Korean first, my primary interest would be that of North Korea. That would be of my paramount interest, and I would try and do something like 2007 when North Korea used talks to buy time. To this sir said कि यार जब ऐसा करना ही है then why are you doing, you are not saying something new. फिर आप किस काम के advisor? Your aim is to provide something new. The chairman, he said like this कि the chairman will say कि you get out in a very stern voice. In a normal case अगर कोई चाहे तो इस यहाँ पे आदमी डर सकता है, बट अगर आप कामनेस से काम करें, अगर आप कंपोजर से काम करें, आई वॉज वेरी काम एंड कंपोज इन दीज इंस्टेंसेज एंड आई रिप्लाइड कि सर that might happen, but I'll say what is most important for North Korea, and in case I have to bargain more, I'll do these and these things. The point that I'm trying to make is, unless you're calm and composed, these commonsensical approaches will not really occur in those instances. there can be so many things that can be asked in the interview stage. We have seen in the YouTubes कि कितने सारे questions, कितने type के questions पूछे जाते हैं. Some related to observational skills, some related to common sense. इस बार भी कई तरीके के question पूछे गए हैं. And without being calm, without being composed, handling these can become a very difficult exercise. Even the interview board wants you to be calm and composed so that you can present your true self. You can be yourself, and you can really show how much and how willing your interview is actually going to be. जहाँ तक इंटरव्यू की और बात है, calmness and composure are one thing. I think the most important requirement जो मेरे हिसाब से इंटरव्यू में चाहिए वो होता है रिस्पेक्ट. एंड रिस्पेक्ट इज टू वैरायटी ऑफ स्टेक होल्डर्स. पहला, द रिस्पेक्ट मस्ट बी टू द इंटरव्यू बोर्ड इटसेल्फ. एंड सी इट इज़ लाइक दिस कि अगर आप मेरा इंटरव्यू देख रहे हैं, आप यू मे बी हैप्पी बाय द फैक्ट कि मेरे मार्क्स 201 आए हैं, बट इफ़ यू फील कि आई एम स्टबर्न, इफ़ यू फील कि आई एम एरोगेंट, इन स्पाइट ऑफ मी गेटिंग 201 मार्क्स, यू विल फील कि अरे यार इसको 201 मार्क्स आए तो आए. ही इज़ नॉट अ वेरी मॉडेस्ट पर्सन, ही इज़ नॉट अ वेरी हम्बल पर्सन. उस केस में आप मेरा वीडियो देखना प्रेफर नहीं करेंगे. इन अ सिमिलर वे, if the interview board does not feel that you are polite, you are humble, you respect them, then they are not going to award you marks. Secondly, मेरे हिसाब से इंटरव्यू का सेकेंड मोस्ट कैरेक्टर है रिस्पेक्ट टुवर्ड्स योरसेल्फ, एंड दैट इज़ कॉन्फिडेंस. कॉन्फिडेंस की जो आपने बोला वो सही बोला, एंड आप उस पॉइंट पे स्टिक करें इफ़ यू बिलीव इट इज़ राइट, नॉट अननेसेसरली, बट टू बिलीव इन योरसेल्फ. एंड unless you believe in yourself, the others are not going to believe in you. And confidence comes from a lot of things: your body language, your calmness, your composure, etc. For example, एक क्वेश्चन जो मुझे इंटरव्यू में पूछा गया था, जहाँ पे मैं दिखाना चाह रहा हूँ कि कैसे मैंने प्रॉबली उसको कॉन्फिडेंस और प्रॉबली रिस्पेक्ट के साथ हैंडल किया. मुझे एक केस स्टडी दिया गया था कि सपोज आप कानपुर के आप डीएम हैं, एंड वहाँ पे मेजॉरिटी राइट होते रहते हैं. What has happened is कि मेजॉरिटी कम्युनिटी के एक लीडर का मर्डर हो चुका है. द पर्सन मर्डरिंग हैज़ बीन अरेस्टेड. यू आर द डीएम, यू नो कि द पर्सन बिलोंग्स टू माइनॉरिटी कम्युनिटी, others don't know. There's a lot of media pressure for you to reveal the name of that person and the community that he or she belongs to. Then what will you do in that case? I said ki sir, in this case I'll try to buy time. Since the situation is very volatile, my aim would be, what I would do is not to reveal the identity of the person there and then. I would say it is still being verified, it is still being asserted. Then sir said, but don't you think it will increase speculation? I said, sir, it can, but at this junction it is more important to ensure that violence does not occur and riot does not take place, and lives of the people are most important here. So I believe, I'm not sure, but I believe that this is one instance where I showed confidence as well as respect. Respect because I appreciated the point what chairman was saying, but then I then added my point, what my opinion was, and together I think that presented the answer in a better way. Similarly, respect must not to be the board, must not just to be to yourself, it has to be other stakeholders as well. For example, you must be respectable towards the laws of the land. Since you're a bureaucrat, you're going to be a bureaucrat, and respect towards the law and the rules are of foremost importance. Similarly, respect must be towards the common people, and that is empathy. Respect must also to be towards the institutions that you may have faced. For example, ये आपको कॉलेज हो सकता है, and often एक क्वेश्चन आता है इंटरव्यू में कि whether your graduation subject is important or not. मेरे हिसाब से, this is my personal opinion, that your graduation subject is very important, your optional are also very important. You may forget the difficult questions out of it, but you're expected to answer about the basic questions that come from you. And you need to revise and practice these kind of things. The next is कि ठीक है, these are all philosophical fundas that I am giving to you. The question is कि how should one become relaxed? How can one become calm? How can one become composed? यहाँ पे very small strategies can help. For example, one is the role of mock interviews. एंड मेरे हिसाब से मॉक इंटरव्यूज आर एन इम्पॉर्टेंट वे टू असेस योरसेल्फ, especially in the eyes of someone who's very experienced. Not all mock interviews would be good. Not all suggestions of mock interviews are going to be helpful. But in general, I think one can assess or one can assimilate, analyze the broad trends that one gets in the mock interviews. कुछ अच्छे mock interviews होते हैं. Generally, most of them are free. Most of them are very cheap. And some good mock interviews, for example, of Next IAS, of Vajiram, Chanakya, etc. यहाँ पे आप अच्छे फीडबैक ले सकते हैं, प्रॉपर फीडबैक ले सकते हैं. बेस्ड ऑन दैट यू नीड टू वर्क अपॉन योरसेल्फ. डोंट गेट बॉग्ड about by the intricacies of what they say, but try and analyze what they are saying about you. Try and analyze what you can improve upon. Self improvement is the most important step that you need to take, not self giving marks to yourself. That is secondary. What is more important is to improve, and perfection is only a utopian concept. आपको तब तक इम्प्रूव करते रहना है जब तक पॉसिबल है. इसके लिए मॉक इंटरव्यू ज़रूरी है. इसके लिए आपको खुद के कैमरा के सामने बैठ के, वेबकैम के सामने आप बैठ के रिकॉर्ड कर सकते हैं अपने आप को, अपने लैपटॉप के सामने बैठ के या मिरर के सामने बैठ के रिकॉर्ड योरसेल्फ. ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट कि आपको क्या लगता है. यू आर द बेस्ट जज ऑफ योरसेल्फ. यू नो योर स्ट्रेंथ्स एंड वीकनेसेस, एंड यू विल नीड टू फाइंड आउट कि कहाँ पे कमी रह गई, कहाँ बेटर रह गया. इन केस यू डू दैट वेल, देन बिलीव मी, better than mock interviews, better than any other group sittings, this is another thing that can be done. You can allow yourself to grow in the most beneficial way. Finally, जो छोटे मोटे ट्वीक्स और किए जा सकते हैं इसकी इंटरव्यू में, often it is said कि the personality of a person is assessed. It is true. It is completely true. And personality of a person, it is difficult to change in a period of 1 month, 2 months, or 3 months. That is also true. But what is also true is that presentation of personality can be changed. It is also true that the personality of a person can be honed. It can be sharpened. It can be skilled. For example, last time मेरे इंटरव्यू में 173 मार्क्स थे. It was decent enough, but I realized कि मैं कुछ कमियाँ वहाँ पे रह गई थी. I realized कि मेरे पर्सनैलिटी में कुछ चीज़ें निखारी जा सकती थी. And that is what I worked upon in my this attempt. जैसे मैं पर्सनली अपना बात करूँ, then I realized कि last time मैं बहुत धीरे बोलता था, and it gave an impression कि I was not very confident. मैं कई बार artificially tempo slow कर देता था because somebody had advised कि the slower you speak, the better it will sound. But what I realized in my personal case was that this actually prevented me for showing the best me. Therefore, इस चीज़ को मैंने चेंज किया. सिमिलरली लास्ट टाइम आई फेल्ट आई वाज नॉट स्माइलिंग इनफ. नाउ स्माइल इज़ वन थिंग दैट रियली शोज द पर्सनैलिटी ऑफ अ पर्सन. जितना आप स्माइल करेंगे उतना काम, कंपोज्ड एंड कॉन्फिडेंट दिखाई देंगे. एंड स्माइल करने का जो तरीका था, दिस टाइम आई ट्राई टू इम्प्रूव इट फर्दर. एक हाफ स्माइल वाला जो मेडिटेशन में खासकर करते हैं, दैट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट इन अ फॉर्मल कन्वर्सेशन. नॉट वेरी मच, नॉट वेरी लो, बट in a way that presents you in a more confident manner. So these are the things that I try to tweak. Similarly, कई बार I felt कि मेरे कंटेंट में कुछ कमी रह गई थी. There were certain areas which I had not prepared. This time I prepared those. Electrical engineering was my background, and I prepared that in a better way. In turn, what that did to me was that it made me more confident. Once one is more confident, once one is more relaxed, the output is automatically more positive, and I think that really helped in my case. जहाँ तक इंटरव्यू की बात है, और बात है, they are normal things. Just sit properly, dress properly. These are not very important. These are not issues of great concern. Language, हिंदी और इंग्लिश से क्वेश्चन आता है कि whether you are allowed to speak in Hindi there or not. In general, in your DAF you have to specify your language. So technically you have to stick to the language you have mentioned, and it can be anything. It can be different from your mains as well. It can be Hindi, English, or any other interview or any other language. So if you feel that if you are more comfortable in Hindi while speaking, it is possible कि आप वहाँ पे हिंदी डाल सकते हैं and वहाँ पे आप हिंदी में जवाब दें. That's one. Two, कई बार ये भी सवाल आता है कि व्हाट इफ यू स्पीक इन हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश, प्रॉब्ली द वे दैट आई एम डूइंग राइट नाउ व्हेन आई एम सेइंग सर्टेन वर्ड्स इन इंग्लिश, सर्टेन इन हिंदी, कैन यू डू दैट? नाउ दिस, द आंसर टू दिस आई डोंट नो, बट मेरे इंटरव्यू में चेयरमैन भोसले सर ने ये शुरुआत में ही कहा था कि डोंट नीड टू पैनिक, आपको जो भाषा में बोलना है, हिंदी, इंग्लिश और अ मिक्स ऑफ द टू, आपको लिख के बोलना है, आपको कैसे भी बोलना है, आप बोलिए. What is more important is not what you're saying, but what is more important is how you're saying, and that is irrespective of language. There they are not there to select the people who are conversant or fluent in one language. There they are selecting people who are fluent in the art of, or who can be fluent in the art of administration, who can apply the skills that they have learned, who can show the real themselves, people who are confident, and this is what they are looking for. So really don't worry about these things. Don't worry about what medical is going to happen. It will happen the next day, not a big concern as long as you're not very obese. And what really matters is how you present yourself. It's a test of your personality, it's a test of your character, it's a test of yourself. Just be yourself. एक चीज़ हाँ जो रिमाइंड करने लायक है कि बी ऑनेस्ट, बी ऑनेस्ट, डोंट ट्राई टू फेक. दे आर पीपल जो 60 साल के ऊपर होते हैं, 65 साल के, 70 साल के, दे आर पीपल हु हैव वेरी वास्ट एक्सपीरियंस, एंड अगर आप उनके सामने झूठ बोलते हैं देन बिलीव मी इट्स वेरी इजी टू गेट कॉट. एंड दे मे नॉट लाइक पीपल जो जिनका नॉलेज बेस थोड़ा कम हो, बट दे डेफिनेटली नॉट लाइक पीपल जो इनका नॉलेज बेस ज़्यादा हो और वो झूठ बोलते हैं, वो फेक करते हैं, वो एक्सैजरेट करते हैं, एट्सेट्रा. So be yourself. No need to be worried about anything. No need to get bogged down. हाँ, ये ज़रूरी है कि इंटरव्यू के प्रिपरेशन के टाइम में आपके पास टाइम बहुत होता है. आप ये कीजिए कि जो आपके ड्राफ्ट में आपने लिखा है उसको अच्छे से प्रिपेयर कीजिए. फॉर एग्जांपल मेरे से बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन ऑलमोस्ट हर मॉक इंटरव्यू में पूछा जाता था कि मेरा ऑप्शनल इकोनॉमिक्स है और मैं आता हूँ इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग बैकग्राउंड से, कि वाई इकोनॉमिक्स इन स्पाइट ऑफ हैविंग इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग बैकग्राउंड. So this was a question that I had to prepare beforehand, and I did prepare to this beforehand. Similarly, there can be questions like, why do you want to become an IAS officer? These are the questions to which I can't give you a single answer. For me, the answer was that it provides me an opportunity to contribute towards nation building, plus it's a good career opportunity. However, let me warn you that this single answer cannot be the answer to everyone. They are wise enough to know that every person is saying the same answer, then probably this is not their answer. To these kind of answers, these answers has to be your own answer. And आपके पर्सनालिटी को असेस करने के लिए वो आपके लाइफ एक्सपीरियंसेस से भी रिलेटेड सवाल पूछेंगे कि आपने ये काम क्यों किया, आपने ग्रेजुएशन यहाँ से क्यों किया, आपके स्कूल का ये नाम कैसा है. तो ये सब चीज़ों का प्रिपेयर कर लीजिए. आप कॉमन जो आपके ऑप्शनल में क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं, कॉमन जो आपके हॉबी रिलेटेड सवाल हैं, इनको प्रिपेयर कर लीजिए. उसके पहले आप डैफ में भी ऐसी कुछ बातें न लिखें जो आपको हानि पहुंचा सकती हैं. मेक इट सिंपल एंड स्वीट. लास्ट टाइम आई मेड माई डैफ कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. आई एडेड टू मैनी हॉबीज़, आई एडेड टू मैनी prizes and extracurricular activities, and I think in retrospect this was not a very nice thing to do. What it showed or what it did was that किसी एक चीज़ पे फोकस घट गया था एंड ज़्यादा चीज़ों में वो डाइवर्ट, वो the focus was not there, and I think it backfired in the end. So make it sweet and simple and short. That is one mantra for DAF. If there is anything that you feel that you have done really well, then you can stress upon it. Otherwise, no need to stress upon anything excessively. It's a test of your personality, not really of the small things that you may have done here and there. उसके अलावा you can try to do small things. For example, कई बार people stutter, stammer, या कई बार मैं भी बोल रहा हूँगा these kind of words मैं यूज़ कर रहा हूँ. इस टाइप के वर्ड्स को आप अवॉइड कर सकते हैं. उसके लिए स्पीकिंग प्रैक्टिस ज़रूरी है. कैसे कीजिएगा? You need to listen to good people. Listening is the first thing that comes before speaking. You can speak well, you should speak well, but you should listen better. And listening के लिए listen to good people. For example, on Rajya Sabha TV, they are very good speakers like Vivek Kajju, Alok Bansal, Mr. Ajay Dua, etc. Try and listen to them, try and emulate them, and then record in a video cam, in a webcam, whether you are progressing or not. You may not be able to speak like them. They are people with great experience. But what is important is whether you are improving or not. And that is the main agenda, that is the main task, the aim, the goal that you want to have. And lastly, मैं यही कहना चाहूँगा कि don't over complicate interview. The simpler you keep it, the better it will be. It's a formal conversation that you're having. Those are the people, they're not going to eat you. They're not going to make you nervous unnecessarily. Sometimes उनका टास्क हो सकता है कि कहीं कहीं पे आपको टेस्ट करें, कहीं कहीं पे आपको ये चेक करें कि whether in worst cases scenario whether you can handle that or not. But overall, their agenda is to find out your real you. So they'll keep it simple, you keep it simple, you keep it honest, and believe me, interview is just a test of common sense. मेरे से कई सवाल पूछे गए कि आप नक्सल इफेक्टेड डिस्ट्रिक्ट से आते हैं एंड सो नक्सलिज्म के लिए कोई आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स सोल्यूशन क्या कीजिएगा, एंड द बोर्ड मेंबर स्ट्रेस्ड ऑन द वर्ड आउट ऑफ बॉक्स, प्रॉबली टू मे बी कुछ हम उटपटांग बोल दें, इसके लिए कोई तरीका हो. बट आई केप्ट इट वेरी सिंपल कि सर इन दिस केस माई टास्क विल बी टू इंश्योर दैट दिस सिटीजन स्टेट इंटरफेस इज इम्प्रूव्ड. इसलिए व्हाट आई वुड डू इज़ व्हाट हैज़ बीन डन इन द नायक मूवी कि मैं लोगों के फीडबैक सिस्टम को इम्प्रूव करूँगा. मैं इंटरनेट के जरिए उनसे फीडबैक लेने का एक ऐप बनाऊँगा, एक सिस्टम बनाऊँगा, एंड एक बार लोगों से फीडबैक आ सके, मैं उनकी कमियों को दूर कर सकूँ. एंड इससे ये भी होगा कि आई विल बी एबल टू गेट मोर असेसमेंट अबाउट द नक्सल मूवमेंट, व्हाट दे आर डूइंग, एंड वंस दिस हैपन्स I think we'll be able to tackle Naxalism in a much better way. Similarly, there were questions like IIT के ऊपर कि why are IITs not doing very well, especially in the field of research. Now, these were the very prepared questions, and I answered, I think, in a decent manner. But the point is that calmness, composure, and common sense are the most important requirements for this exam. You don't need to overcomplicate to get 200. You need to simplify to get 200. And this is a mantra that I would like you to take away from me. I'm not sure whether my strategies would work for you or not. But as I say again, each person is different. And it is important for you to know yourself, for you to find out who you are, what your strengths, what your weaknesses are. And generalization from my side at this point of time may not be the most apt way to go. Instead, you have to be your judge, you have to be your teacher, you have to be your mentor to find out कि आप इसको कैसे इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं. इफ़ अगर एक आदमी को भी अगर ये इंटरव्यू, द सेशन दैट आई एम हैविंग हेल्प्स, then I'll consider myself very fortunate. बाकी if you want, you can comment on the YouTube video, and you can follow me on Quora, and I'm thankful to Delhi Knowledge Track for providing me this opportunity. Thanks a lot and best wishes.